and today we're here, I was gonna say Gatlinburg, but we're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at Westgate Oceanfront Resort. And we're gonna stay here for the next
7 days.
7 days, Sunday to Sunday, and we're gonna show you the room right now and check out everything else as little videos off to the side. So here we go to check it out. Let's get started.
Let's go. You smacking my hand up.
Right before we get started, I have a couple shout outs for Adventures with Danno. Go check out their channel. Super amazing channel. They have adventures. They say the travel is out there.
Vacation Station.
And then the Vacation Station TV. They're a really nice couple too. No. They're also a really nice couple too. You should go check out their channel.
Jeff and Marie, great people.
And then we have Fishing with Drew. He has an amazing channel to check out as well. Oh, and I'm already burnt, guys, so. Yeah? Come on, you coming with Mama real quick? Hurry, come on. The only thing about checking into your room for Westgate is when you have to unload your car, for this particular building anyway, when you unload your car and you have all your luggage and it's like a trillion, you gotta pile it on a buggy and literally walk this entire stretch with a loaded buggy and hope and pray that nothing falls off and that you just it well enough to where it doesn't fall off. But yeah, it's kind of a cruise. It can get confusing. It was for me. It still is. You think you're even close to being there? You're not. You got to keep on walking. This way, baby. I'm waiting for you. Come on, honey. Hear that? One of the fastest growing regions in the entire country. They tell you that stuff every Westgate you go to. Almost there. Mind you, you have to get a buggy all the way here. And then you can't even just go up to your room. No. No, sir. You need a key card. And you gotta scan it right here. Let me see the card, baby.
No, I got it.
You got it. It won't work because they're already checked out. But it will go green. And you click the button. And then it will light up white. And you go up to your room. Go in the elevator.
No.
Press the button.
This one? This one? No, this one.
No, not that one.
I can't. No, Daddy. I don't like you. I'm gonna watch you.
You can go up to the 7th floor. And you come out to your room, which is right here. Ta-da! We're gonna scan the key card. Look. Enter. That's not my arm. That's Rob's arm.
That's me behind her.
Okay, so as we enter the room, we first see
Me walking in the door.
the kitchenette for the room. It's got a double burner, and it's got this mini fridge. Fancy dancy. A full-size microwave. Okay.
Unlike the sandcastle.
Unlike the Sandcastle Resort.
Which, this is also like the sandcastle. We will never use it.
They have the full-size coffee pot and the fancy towels. Oops.
Not anymore.
Once fancy towel.
Same dishwasher we got.
They have plates and bowls,
Toaster.
an ice bucket, and a toaster in this cabinet. And then this cabinet, they have a pitcher and a measuring cup and a strainer.
Ready, babe?
And then this cabinet, they have wine glasses, tall glasses, coffee mugs, and a casserole thing. Oh yeah, and the cutting board. In the sink, they have a nice dish tray for your dishes with dishwashing liquid, paper towel, dish soap, sponge, and a stopper. And the complete nice full-size dishwasher. There is the kitchen. For you?
Check any drawers for silverware or something?
Oh.
Yeah. She's trying to rip you guys off on footage.
We have the silverware drawer. All these fancy way they put the spoons and the forks and the knives.
Right, us
and the
rednecks, all the
knives.
spoons would have been in one slot. All the knives would have been in one slot.
A few pots and pans down there. We have for the measuring spoons, the can opener, the vegetable peeler, and the bottle opener. Yes. And lastly, we have spatulas and spoons and mixer thing.
Mixer, I need my job.
And then moving on to the little living room for the studio.
Did you want to get the bathroom? That's right.
We'll use the little dining room set. And if you do rent Westgate and you do get a studio, you don't get that. You get this. You get the little table and the 2 chairs, and you get your couch. It's also a pull-out. Want to demonstrate, babe?
What?
See if it's a pull-out couch.
Yeah, see, one of the cushions is already backwards.
But you have a pull-out couch. And Rob is going to demonstrate. Allow me to demonstrate.
If you would just allow me to demonstrate.
Shaka shaka. Ugh. Nice mattress minus the everything else. Sheets and whatnot.
That's what I would do.
Has a TV though, so if you wanted to watch TV from the pull-out sofa bed, you can. And then over here we have the little grandmaster room with another TV, the dressers, and we have the queen bed, which is super nice. And you have the wardrobe, because it's not a closet.
Oh.
And we already piled all of our essentials in there. I was going to say other words, but I just say essentials.
Garbage, you can call it what it is.
I was going to say crap, but
Right,
Hey, there's the wardrobe. And we have the last but not least for the studio, the bathroom. And it is a lovely bathroom. Told you guys I'm already burnt and I've only been in the sun for 2 hours. Ready to look at this, ready to watch. Watch. Bam. There it was. He's laughing at me. He's like, told you fool to wear a t-shirt, not a tank top.
Love you too.
They have towels and hand towels. tissue, soap, toilet paper. They have their toilet, and they have a mini jacuzzi tub. That's cute. Press this for the mini jacuzzi.
I would push that button when the water in there.
I didn't press it to turn on. But they have a
They gave us a bag of something.
really nice
Hair dryer.
shower head, and so for Westgate you have to pull them to turn the water on. Interesting. That is so pretty. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough through the other half for the room we're staying, the double combined room. This will be a 1-bedroom room next door. It is also what we have, and there is a living room, and with the TV. And the full-size kitchen with the same pretty towels, the stove, and all the same essentials for living. They have the dishes, the spoons, forks. They have them separated in different tiny drawers. Knives and other things, spatulas and other things. The dishwasher. Trash can and dish supplies. They have electric stove. Hank Hill will be ashamed of Westgate. No propane and propane accessories. They have cooking essentials in the stove. A microwave, which again we won't ever use. Someone's used dishes already inside. Cute. Same thing. They have a blender on this side, along with their coffee pot and things. And also on this side, they have a casserole dish with the other dish we have on the other side. Chandeliers are pretty. Above the kitchen fridge, you have a cabinet. And this fridge is a full-size fridge with a freezer. Ta-da! And a fridge. Ta-da! And also you have a mini washer and dryer unit. Soap not included. It is my father's. Check out the master bedroom. A bed, a stand, a TV, a husband, lovely, lovely husband. Couldn't replace him for nothing. The big jacuzzi tub, which we'll try out when the babies come up, but the water does run.
Like the way they got the wall.
Nice. Yeah, the water's nice.
Yeah, that turns on at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Turn what?
Westgate. Oh,
That's when you're sitting here and the water's running, you can actually sit under it.
but I like the Westgate emblem. That's a nice, slow touch. And they have the closet for here.
What's that?
All of our stuff in here.
That's for you to take your summer shower.
And then the master bathroom has all the towels right here. More toilet paper under the sink. Hair dryer. I did not show the others for that, but that's okay. And the sinks, double sinks. And then, wait for it, guys. Come here, babe. Let's show them this. They have the toilet as you walk in this closet from the sink. And like the other one, is they have a shower, but this is a stand-up shower only. And it's glass, and it's nice. It's it's got 2 shower heads on top. And ready? Wait for it. Ready? You gotta pull this, turn it on. That turns on this one. But if you turn this knob a teeny tiny bit, you get double shower action. And lastly, we'll check out the balconies for each room. It's locked. Have to unlock it. Slide. Bell. Oh, I almost tripped. So guys, please do not trip on this like I almost did. Could be bad. But the balcony and the beach. Pretty much the same for the other 2 sides. But I'll show you a quick go around anyway. Because I like you guys. And I'm going to show you everything. Chairs, table, and then the beach on the 7th floor view. Ooh la la. And then lastly, the 3rd balcony for the studio room. The 1 bedroom has 2 balconies, and then the studio, obviously, would you only get the 1 balcony. Third balcony. Ooh la la.
You can set their tripod this deep